She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
Good morning, friends. I am out here camping this weekend at LBJ Grasslands with some friends of mine. Lessons with Lila is still in town, so they met me out here. The reason I had to come out this weekend is because I have a couple of geocaches hidden out here, and 2 of them needed maintenance, and so I thought I'd go ahead and check on the 3rd one too while I'm here. So I just wanted to share that with you and show you what I'm doing. If you don't know what geocaching is, you can go to geocaching.com, and it kind of explains it all. But what it is just, it's a worldwide scavenger hunt of sorts. There's an app on your phone, and you can find different hidden treasures or whatever. Some of them are just small containers with just a log in it that you sign, and others are larger containers that are full of goodies. Usually kids' toys and little trinkets and tradables, buttons and pins, stuff like that. So the ones I have hidden out here are very small because of the spots I hid them, so I'm going to replace one today. I named my geocaches after some of my favorite YouTubers. Sadly, though, 2 of these don't even make videos anymore. I wish they would. Drive By Andy and Bigg Dogg Rver. But the 3rd one is named after Frugal RV gal, and that's the one I'm going to go to next. So I want to just first show you the container that I'm going to replace it with, because something happened to the old container. How I know that something happened to it is because people log it when they try to find it. The last 3 people who have tried were unable to find it. So that tells me it's probably missing. I don't hide mine really difficult. So yeah, I think it's gone. So let me show you my new container. Now, I've never used one like this before. I just found this at Dollar Tree. It's actually a salad dressing holder. So it's got a seal, and I think that'll do good with the weather. Also, it's not like a real thin plastic, so it shouldn't break. A lot of times, like if you use an old Tylenol bottle or something, the weather, after it's been out in the sun for a while, it'll end up cracking, and then the contents get wet. So I'm going to go ahead and throw in a couple of little trinkets in the bottom of this, and then it's just got the log to sign. So this is what the logbook looks like. Just paper to put your name on. So I'm going to put in a little path tag. Vicki and I had these made up probably 4 or 5 years ago. I only have about 3 or 4 left, so I'm going to go ahead and leave one in this cache, if it'll fit, and it does. And then I just have some of these little wishing stones, and I'll leave a couple of those. Like I said, they're not much to it, but kids like to find stuff in them, so put a white one in there. And that's all there is to it. I might go ahead and put this log in a baggie too, just to keep it safe. So I will take you with me to go find the spot where Frugal RV gal is supposed to be hidden. So they've been doing a lot of work out here. I think they had a prescribed burn, and then they came through and did a lot of cleaning up. It looks like they even trimmed some of the limbs on this little tree where Frugal is supposed to live. So I will look around a little bit. If I don't find her, I will just replace it with the new container. Hiking trail marker got knocked down too, so tons of trails out here. Over 75 miles of trails out here, actually. All right, there it is. Come and get it, geocachers. Frugal RV gal. I have one more hidden out here. I think it's about 1.5 miles away, but I think my e-bike will make it that far. So I'm just going to go down and check on it. It doesn't show that it's missing or anything, but I did bring a spare just in case. So let's go check on Drive By Andy. Well, there's people camped down there right on top of Andy, so I think I'm going to wait and check on that one another time. Like I said, the last few people who have tried to find it have successfully found it, so I'm sure it's fine. But yeah, I just like to check on them when I'm out here. But another day. I just want to thank you guys so much for coming along with me today on my little geocaching adventure. I really do appreciate the company. I hope whatever you're doing this weekend, you are having a fabulous time too. Y'all, stay lost, my friends. I have been organizing. It looks so much better. Now, of course, when I drive, probably all of this is going to fall off. No, it usually doesn't. Sometimes a slipper does. A slipper will go, but that's about it. And I have found a great use for this. It kind of holds these baskets up here. Thanks, Mayhem. Bet you didn't know that. Had that use. Got Dan watching over me and Mayhem protecting me. Thanks, guys.